Okay, good morning everybody. This is going to be my Windstopper seat cover review. The reason I bought it is this 2008 Goldwing has the original seat, and after I suppose 17 years or so, the seams have started to fray a little bit and it was ripping. So I tried some of the material, the tape material you put on the seat, and I just couldn't get it to work right. I think because I'm rubbing my butt on the seat, it ripped the tape up and made a mess. Then I tried Gorilla Tape, and that certainly stuck together, but it still would roll up a little bit and create a mess on my riding pants, etc. A new seat for the Goldwing is $1,000, and I didn't really want to spend $1,000 on a bike that's worth probably $5,000. So I searched around. I've seen these Windstopper seats before. They look kind of cool. So anyway, 85 bucks, I bought this Windstopper seat cover in hopes to stop the tearing of the seat. Something that might look good until I have to buy another seat, I suppose, right? And so I got it and I put it on, and it was pretty easy to put on. It comes in a nice package, a sack. And then, so I took the seat off, unplugged it, put the seat cover on, got it on right, and then installing it back on the Goldwing was a bit of a challenge in that I have a backrest, so I had to cut a hole in the material so that I could put the backrest, attach it to the seat, which was pretty simple. I just simply stretched the seat out, marked it with a Sharpie, cut it, a small hole out, and then tried to cauterize the plastic nylon material so hopefully it doesn't fray in the future. Then my backrest comes with a little flange that kind of keeps it kind of cool, nice and neat. Then you have to attach the handrails, the passenger handrails back, and that was a bit of a challenge because you got to get the material lined up with the hole. You can't see the hole. Anyway, I'm not super mechanical, but in a half hour, 45 minutes later, I had it all put back together. So my initial impressions are, one, I think it looks really cool. It's a cool looking seat cover. It looks nice. So it passed the eye candy test, right? So now I've only used it for about 25 miles, and I'm on the road right now. I'm going to go right about 150 miles today, short trip. And my initial thought on this seat cover is, number one, you definitely feel the airflow in the seat. It's about 72 degrees outside right now. It's going to be 100 later on today. So it's a little chilly, not cold, but a little on the cool side. And I can literally feel the airflow under my butt. It is cooler, no doubt about it. So then my thoughts were that in the summertime, that's awesome, right? Get a little airflow in your butt, maybe dry out the sweat. But what do you do in the wintertime when it's cold outside? You've got this cold air rushing underneath your bottom, and it's freezing your buttocks. So I'm gonna go ahead and ride for a little bit, and I will report back to you later. But I will tell you, I kind of like this Windstopper seat cover so far. It seems very comfortable. It looks great. There is definitely airflow between the seat and your butt. Definitely airflow there, significant airflow. So there you go. So let's go and we'll talk more about this Windstopper seat cover in a little bit. But overall, I really like it. Maybe in about 6 months, I'll report back kind of a long-term review, but so far, the first 80 miles that I've had it, I would give it a thumbs up. So thanks for watching. Ride safe. God bless. If you like this channel, this material, thumbs up. And please subscribe to the channel. I'd sure appreciate it. Talk to you soon.